Starring Entertainment.
Siya na po ang kinatawan ngayon. You know, tinanong po ako sa Baguio, nagpapahinga ka na ba? I think once an advocate will always be an advocate. But we don't monopolize leadership. You have to pass on. Diba? Hindi parating ikaw ang nasa unahan ng laban. Pero nananatili ka sa tabi ng laban, sino man ang nasa lidyata. No further introduction. The chairperson of my party, ang Ladlad Party, Mr. Dexter Macau.
Ladlad proudly presents a collection of powerful images from our recent photo shoot, a visual testament to the vibrant diversity and resilience of the LGBT community, equality champions, magandang laban. These images do not merely capture the four faces. Ito ay may kwento ng stories of strength, identity, at pagtanggap kung sino ka, kung ano ka. Bawat larawan ay may kwento ng sariling katangian, nagpapakita ng ganda at pagkakaiba. We extend our deepest gratitude to Velvet Creative, Ms. Beth Delito, our Ladlad's former chairperson and two-time nominee for the Ladlad, for visionary partnership and impactful initiative. Ang kanilang pangako ay palalakasin ang boses ng LGBT sa pamagitan ng malikhaing pagpapahayag na may pag-ibig at pagtanggap sa aming hanay. Ito ay nagpapatunay na may potensyal na dulot ng pagbabago, magpalaganap at malasakit ng LGBT na magtutulay sa atin sa ibang sektor. The collaboration with Velvet Creatives and Ladlad, Strap, and One LGBT Pilipinas, by showcasing these powerful photos, we are not only affirming our own identities, but also inspiring others to find strength in their truths. They remind us that we are not alone in our struggles and that together we can foster a more inclusive and accepting society. Bawat larawan ay simbolo ng pagkakaisa at kolektibong lakas ng bawat isa. Ang Ladlad ay ang natatanging partidong politikal sa bansa na itinatag noong September 3, 2003 ni Professor Dr. Remoto. Sinabi kong nag-iisang partidong politikal dahil wala pa naman nag-a-attempt na ibang LGBT organization na sumubok sa politika. Once again, thank you very creative to Ms. Beth Delito, Ms. Barbie Alcache, and Ms. Basti Ortega, and LGBT Pilipinas. Thank you.
Thank you, Beth. And of course, the last, ito talaga, sabi ko, she has to be part of the Prideful campaign. Because, ang ganda po ng transition. Sinasabi ko sa kanya, from sparkle of the crown to the grassroots movement. Kailangan may ganun po na transition, na movement para sa kanya. At yung tao na yon na nakapunta sa bawat pageant, sa bawat sulok ng Pilipinas. Kasi kanino, na nangampanya kami, hindi naman namin napuntahan lahat. But I think the pageantry, that platform that she used to reign, ay nagawa niya yon. She was able to gain prominence by doing that platform that she rightfully deserves. That's why I asked her that she has to lend the image, she has to lend the voice, kumpletuhin na niya, di ba? Para sa representasyon ng LGBT. It is my distinct honor and privilege, the beauty empress of the LGBT community at ang pambansang leader ng One LGBT Pilipinas Incorporated at tagapayo po ng Philippine Financial and Inter-Industry Prior PFIP Council. Buong talangkong pagmamalaki na pinapakilala. Binibining Maria Barbie Ann Arcache.
Oh my God, how can I pack that introduction? Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon to everybody. First of all, I would like to congratulate our dear Bians Benedito of Verde Creatives for this wonderful photo unveiling of the Equality Champions Magandang Laban. It's something really, really amazing. Of course, for my co-panelists here as well, Vashti Ortega, how are you? She looks very beautiful. Of course, we were just in Baguio a few days ago as we were part of the Equality Expo of Baguio City. And of course, the head, a good friend of mine, Dexter Macaldo. Maraming salamat as well for this wonderful invitation. I've known them for a while. Dems and Dexter, I've known them for, how should we say it, decades. Decades already, right? Yes, I was one of the original and first members of that party list that time. As you see, in my life, I thought being an LGBT is as simple as doing pageants. Competing in different provinces around the Philippines from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Oh, just to interject, I was also a member of the STRUC, the Society of Transgender Women, one of the original members as well. So as I was growing in our community, the LGBT, ang akala ko ang pagiging parte ng LGBT ay parang pagpapaganda lamang. Magpa-cute, mag-pageant, tumakas sa entablado, magpakita sa mga tao na maganda rin kami at kaya namin sumabay sa mga babae sa entablado ng Pilipinas. But there's more to that. There's more to just showing to people that it's not all about the physical beauty that matters, but how can you share that beauty that you have within your heart? I mean, some people will just have to say now, oh, she's just being ambitious. But what is my purpose in life? I have competed for more than 2.5 decades in pageantry. 25 taon ng pagpapageant sa buong Pilipinas mula Luzon, Visayas hanggang Mindanao. Now that I am sort of called retired, what's next? And I want to share that advocacy to everybody, that after that you have shined, or you've shown your best in a certain field, what's next for all of us? Maybe you've become a great business manager or a great business owner, but after that, what's next? Are we going to be stagnant? We cannot be stagnant, because once that you become stagnant, you just become matter. And matter only occupies space. And we don't need to just occupy space. We need to fill the space and find your purpose in this world. That's why right now, I think I have found my purpose. To show to everybody that we, the LGBTQIA+ community, is not just matter. We are here to move and shape the world, to show to them that we are, of course, needing of human rights. Not special rights, simple as human rights. So, as Bear the Creatives invited me to be part of this campaign of the Equality Champions Magandang Laban, who am I to say no? It's about time to show our faces. At hindi ko itinahiya ang face na to. Because I spent a lot for this. No, kidding aside, I'm proud to say, to be part of this campaign is something groundbreaking. Kasi hindi lahat gusto nila pakita pagmumukha nila sa mga pictures at pakita sa kanila na pati kami ng LGBT community. Some people frown to be part of the community and are embarrassed. But we, everybody part of this campaign is proud, loud, and should show to the world that we are humans and simply masterpieces of God. So, ladies and gentlemen, no further ado, thank you so much. The head of Bear the Creatives, thank you so much, Benz Benedicto, for making this happen. To unify different people from different fields of the LGBT community, from STRUC, from the led party list, One LGBT Filipinas, Chicadora Go, our founding chairman, and the PFIP, Philippine Financial and Industries Pride. This is an organization that handles the LGBTQIA+ community in the workplace. It is something groundbreaking to have you, our patroness of the LGBT. A big round of applause again once more for this Benz Benedicto.